Last week, I did a video on Amazon Q. Since then, a lot of companies and people have written a lot and have done a lot of social media posts and other blog posts on this Amazon Q. So I thought that in this video, I'm going to go through few of the things which have surfaced about this new service which Amazon is touting almost everywhere. By this Amazon Q, Amazon joined the party for the chatbots with respect to generative AI. Amazon launched a chatbot for large companies even as internal tests indicated potential problems. Amazon introduced Q, which is an AI powered assistant that enables employees to query documents and corporate systems. Quite recently, Platformer, which is a tech newsletter, obtained internal documents from somewhere without listing the source that indicate that the model can generate falsehood and leak confidential information. Right now, Amazon Q is available as a free preview and it analyzes private documents, databases, and code to answer questions, generate content, and take actions. Amazon plans to offer two tiers of service, a basic chatbot, which will be around $20 per month, and the Chatbot Plus code generation, troubleshooting, security evaluation, and human assistance from Amazon Web Services, which will be at $25 per month. Amazon promises not to train machine learning models on Q users' data. 3 days after Amazon unveiled Q, employees began to flag issues on internal Slack and security reporting channels. So, few of the findings, or I would say complaints, were that Q provided inaccurate recommendations on issues of digital sovereignty, that is, whether or not data should be stored within a particular jurisdiction, which is a real troubling legal issue in Europe and other parts of the world. One employee even raised a severity 2 alert indicating an issue severe enough to warrant paging engineers after hours and over the weekends. Also, internal tests showed that Q could leak confidential information from Amazon, such as internal discount programs, unreleased features, and locations of AWS data centers. Amazon spokespeople called such scenarios hypothetical and have already denied that Q had leaked any such information. Amazon is really not the only major AI company whose chatbot has leaked private information or allegedly has leaked up private information. Google researchers recently found that they could prompt OpenAI's ChatGPT to divulge and reveal personal information found in its training data. But it's still big. For Amazon, issues with the newly released system are a bump in the road to competing effectively against competitors like Microsoft Copilot and ChatGPT Enterprises and so many others. In my opinion, Amazon or AWS are still lagging behind in the race of generative AI. So, raising these red flags on its new Amazon Q service is a really sad thing, and I hope that Amazon would be able to overcome it as soon as possible. But for developers, it is a sobering reminder, and also for the organizations, that when you move fast, what breaks may be your own product, and you need to be careful with these LLMs and LVMs. And it is imperative and very important to launch these products in a safe and responsible way and make improvement based on real world performance. Anyway, I still believe that Amazon Q is a great product and Amazon should really proceed further with it while resolving all of these issues. Thanks for listening. Please share your thoughts, and if you have any comments, please put them down below the video. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.